Hi, I'm Doug. I'm the founder and creator of Magnfi. Video testimonials are an ongoing process. It's really important to have fresh, timely video testimonials coming out so your product or service is relevant when being compared to your competition. Here are 3 keys to having a successful, ongoing video testimonial campaign. First is getting at least 6 or more video testimonials to set the standard for what you want other customers to make. This will give other people who you want to get video testimonials from a benchmark for what you want the videos to look like. And this will also give you an immediate bank of video testimonials to drip out over time on social media and email marketing campaigns. Second is before you launch your campaign, promote it at least a few weeks before your launch. Build excitement around it, just like you would literally any marketing campaign. This is where those previous video testimonials you made will come into handy in a nice, big, huge way. Third is doing a little incentivizing. Make sure you have some sort of a unique incentive to get people who you aren't face-to-face with to make a video testimonial for you. When you launch your campaign, use your unique Magnfi M-Link so you can capture as many video testimonials as you want, and only use your credits for the video testimonials you want Magnfi to create for you. All the good ones, right? I hope you found these 3 tips extremely helpful. Thanks so much for watching.